Friends, welcome back to another video. In this video guide, I will show you how to fix NBA 2K27 gamepad or controller not working issue. So the very first method is to restart your PC. For that, click on Windows icon, click on Power, select Restart. This will restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, launch the game and check if controller is working. Next is to verify integrity of game files. So for that, go to Steam, under Library section, select your game, right click on it, click on Properties, click on Install Files, and then click on Verify integrity of game files. So this will check and verify the game files. Once done, launch the game and check if controller is working. Next is to enable or disable Steam input. So for that, go to Steam, under Library section, select your game, right click on it, click on Properties, click on Controller, and here you have to select Enable Steam input and then check if the game is working or controller is working or not. If it doesn't work, come back again. This time select Disable Steam input and then check if controller is working. If this also doesn't work, come back again, select Default Settings and move to the next method. Next method is to press Alt plus Enter keys. Many experts suggest to press Alt plus Enter keys as this is one of the best way to resolve such kind of unexpected issue. Next method is to update controller drivers. For that, go to the search option. Here you have to search for device manager. Before that, you have to connect your PC and controller, and after that go to the search option. Here you have to expand human interface devices, select your controller, right click on it, click on update driver, and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your controller drivers. After that, launch the game and check if controller is working. Next is to update Windows. For that, go to the search option, search for check for updates. Here also you have to click on check for updates. So wait for some time. If any update is available, update your Windows to the latest version, and after that launch the game and check if controller is working. Next is to clear cache. So for that, go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings, click on downloads, go below, click on clear cache beside clear download cache, and after confirming it, log into your Steam once again, and after that launch the game and check if controller is working. If you are using wired plug, then you are suggested to unplug it and again replug it, and after that launch the game and check. Also suggested to use big picture modes. After going to Steam, select your game under library section. Here in the upper section you can see enter big picture mode. Click on it, enter big picture mode, try to play the game in big picture mode, and after that again exit it, and after exiting big picture mode, check if gamepad or controller is working or not. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.